Hello everyone, today I'm going to be taking Python basics from CodeHS in a simple way. So let's get into it. Here the first activity is stretched slinky. So let's do that. Here this is what we have to do. We have to draw we have to draw five circles, and this is the assignment. Five circles, and each circle should have the radius of 35, and a tracer should move forward 40 pixels after every circle. So this is the assignment. So we have to draw five circles. First of all, if we can do a circle with 35 what with 35 radius. So for that, just type circle 35 inside bracket 35, and it will draw a circle in 35 radius. Now we have to do the same thing 5 times, but we also have to move forward. So forward 50, no 40. Here it says that Tracy should move forward 40 pixels. Also there are a lot of commands here that you can apply for forward, backwards, and set position, go to, set x, set y, left, right, and stuff. So now it is circle 30, make a circle with 35 radius and move forward 40 pixels. Now it's going to do this. Now you have to repeat this 5 times. To repeat this 5 times. Forward. Like that, you can repeat this 5 times. We repeat this 5 times. Now we try. It made 5 circles with a radius of 35. And if we check our code, it's correct. Okay. Now let's go to our next activity, which is shorter dashed line. We have to do this, and in this one we have to use pen up and pen down. Pen up and pen down. This is the one. If you click if you use pen up, that means Tracy will move without leaving any trail behind. Here if we move forward, Tracy will leave a trail over here. So if we use pen up, Tracy is not going to leave any trails behind. And we use pen down to make Tracy leave trails again. So we need to use pen up for this, because Tracy starts here and we need to start over here. So we can use the backward command, backward over 200. This entire canvas is 400 pixels, so to move backwards I have to do 200. So backward 200. Okay. Now we know that it said that these lines are 50 pixels long, and the space between these lines are also 50 pixels long. So we can do pen down. So Tracy leaves a trail behind. Now we use forward 50, because the lines are 50 pixels long. Oh wait, forward 50. Now we need to use pen up again. Because we need some space over here, and move forward 50 again. And like that we repeat this over 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Pen down, move forward 50, pen up and move forward 50. We repeat this about 4 times. Like this, about 4 times we'll repeat this, and Tracy will go over here. So let's check the code and everything's right. We submit and continue. This is a caterpillar. Okay. So here in the first one when Tracy was doing this, it was leaving some trails behind. When it was moving forward, there were lines over here. So here there is no lines. That means we are going to use pen up. So first of all, each circle has a radius of 20. So circle 20. And because each circle has a radius of 20, we need to move 40. 20 into 2 is 40. So we have to move forward 40 pixels. But if we look here, Tracy leaves a trail behind. So we have to use pen up. Pen up. Pen up. And here we go. Now we repeat this over 5 times again. But we need pen down. We need pen down. So for that we can use a pen down. And we repeat this over 5 times. This is only 4. So we need 5 times. Okay, repeat that 5 times and it will draw 5 circles. Now we don't need to move forward. Okay. And that's it. Let's go to the next one. This one is a rectangle. We have to draw a rectangle. So here the triangle has a width of 50 and a height of 100. So when it's going over here, we have to move 50, and when you're going up, like the length, it has to be 100. So first of all, let's move forward over 50 pixels. So it's going to make a line like that. Now we are going to turn left. We are going to turn left over 90 degrees. And then move forward 100. Move forward 100. Now we are going to turn left again. And move 50. Forward 50. Now we turn left again. I think it's left. And then move forward 100. Just like that we finish the rectangle, but over here, Tracy is facing this way, but over here Tracy is facing this way. So we have to turn left or right? Yeah, turn left. Now it looks exactly the same. And that's it. Everything's correct. So I hope you all understood, and thank you for watching. Let's see you in the next video.